Here I've got Samsung Galaxy A6 and let me show you how to change video resolution on the following device. So at first let's open the camera, then find and select video mode, go to the settings, and now you will notice rear and front video size. So if you would like to change it, just click on back video size and smoothly over here you can change the resolution, and now you can record a new one. Then you can do the same thing for front camera, just click on it and then pick the option that you would like to apply, so I will also make the lower. And now you can record in this mode. Also here, by tapping on settings, you can activate high efficiency video, just click here and you will be able to record your videos in the highest format. And also you will save some space on your device. So actually that would be all. This is how you can smoothly and easy change video resolution in your Samsung. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.